In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under copper. So guys, we have 6 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, what would be observed when aqueous ammonia is added in drops and then in excess to a solution of copper 2 ion? So we have option A, blue precipitate is formed which is soluble in excess ammonia. Yes, like guys, this is the right answer to this question. Brick white precipitate is produced which is insoluble in excess ammonia. No. White precipitate is formed which is soluble in excess ammonia. No. Green precipitate is formed which is insoluble in excess ammonia. No. So guys, the right answer is option A. That's for this question. The next question will be this one. It says a method that is widely used in the manufacture of paints and overhead electric cables is aluminium. Guys, the right answer is option A. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says which of the following properties indicate that an element is a metal? We have it reacts with oxygen to form an acetic oxide. No. Forms ionic chlorides. Yes. Has variable oxidation states. No. Displaces hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid. So guys, the right answer to this question, yeah, this I has variable oxidation state can also fit in when you are dealing with translation methods. But let's just see the options we have. They say I and IV. No, it can't be this one because of this. I is not among. Anyone that's having I won't go. Alright, so option A is having I, so it won't work. B is having I, it won't work. C is having I, it won't work. So the right answer is option D. I forms ionic chloride, yes, and IV displaces hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid, yes. The right answer is option D. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says a solution of zinc chloride should not be stored in a container made of, we have tin, we have lead, we have aluminium, we have copper. So guys, the right answer to this question is option C, which is aluminium. Alright, the next question will be this one. It says which of the following statements about atoms of a metal is correct? They readily accept electrons, are held together by sea of electron cloud, are soft, are held together by covalent bond. So we are talking about metal not accept electrons, they lose electrons. The right answer is option B, are held together by a sea of electron cloud. That's it for this question. The last question before I end this video with this one. It says metals which react with steam only when they are red hot include iron. Option C. So guys, this is basically how you can do problems involving copper for your chemistry problems. We'll practice with 6 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel your STEM exam to be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the screen above and I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.